This short video will demonstrate how Stage 1 of the portfolio application works, so you know what you will be learning in the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide is designed to give you a quick overview of how to use a lot of features in Five to get you underway to building your application. In the portfolio application, there are 5 menu items. The Portfolios menu holds the portfolio records, and this is where you can add new portfolios to the system. The Stock Exchanges menu holds the stock exchange records. This form is built out to have multiple pages. As you can see here, we are currently on the General page and see the stock exchange code and the name of the exchange. If we click the Stocks tab, we are navigated to the stocks list and can either add a new record or select a record from the list. The Stocks form has a General page and a Prices page. The Prices page is also a list page and holds all the price records for a stock. And just like the stocks, a new price can be added, or you can select a price record from the list. The Sectors form is very similar to the Stock Exchanges form. However, the stocks are grouped by the sector rather than the exchange. The Daily Volume menu holds a dashboard, and the dashboard has a chart and a data view. The Daily Volume Report menu will generate a report when the menu item is clicked. So as you can see, you will learn how to create tables to use as data sources, how to create forms and build these forms out to have multiple pages, how to create menu items, how to write a query to use as a data source, how to build data views, charts, dashboards, and reports.